I gotta rush. Hey guys, how's it going? Today is December 11th and I have to do the glucose test. Drink this crap. So it tells me I have to drink it within 45 minutes of going to the lab, and my appointment is this morning at 11:30. So this is my first appointment. I'm going without my husband, and I'm just gonna like, he hated that he had to miss this appointment, but they changed his hours at work, so he is not going to be able to come with me to this appointment. And this is my first appointment, and I literally just rolled out of the bed. I look crazy. I haven't been sleeping at night, and I've been barely getting like 4 hours of sleep, so I have to hurry up and drink this, and I have to go. And you could probably see Maggie right here. She's coming with me, aren't you, Pooch? Aren't you, Pooch? So I'm kind of nervous to drink this because, you know, you hear on YouTube how people say it's so nasty, but theirs is orange and mine isn't orange. So today, I think I'm 28 weeks and some change. So I'm like 7 months and a week or something like that. Maybe I should have did this a little bit sooner. It's okay. I'll tell you guys later. I don't know if I'm ooh, that looked deadly. I don't know why that just looked deadly. Does that not look deadly? That looked like some crap that it says do not drink. It really looked like it was like, don't drink me, warning. I hate getting my blood taken. Okay, stop being a chicken. Come on, just drink this crap and let's do it. Let's go. Okay, because my appointment's at 11:30 and it is now 10:47. Oh, it don't smell that bad. Just don't look at it. Just don't look at it. Just don't think about it. Just don't look at it and think about it, okay? So, Jesus. I'm not down with the get down to try new crap. So, okay. I'm scared I'm going to throw it up, though. Because if I don't like something, my stomach literally cannot hold it in its side. It just can't. It just won't. It just won't. It just can't. And I'm just like, oh my God, I got to go get my blood taken. And my husband's not going to be there. Okay. 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 I'm like, should I comb my hair? I don't know if I should comb my hair. I think I'm just, I don't know. Okay. I had to drink this crap. Okay. Oh my God, and it's starting to rain outside, Maggie. Yo, you should see how Maggie's looking at me. Maggie's looking at me like, bro, like seriously? You smell it. Smell it. Smell it. You don't think it's that bad? She don't think it's that bad. Okay. She doesn't think it's that bad because normally her face will scrunch. So, okay. Okay, I gotta quit playing. Okay, don't marinate on the thought. It's not disgusting. It's not disgusting, but it's something. I'm gonna leave like this much in there. Like literally just a capful. Look at that. Like just a capful. So my husband can taste it. I am. It is raining. Guys, I gotta go. I gotta go. And I'm gonna leave my hair just like this. I gotta go. Because it's raining. So, Pooch, you coming too. Guys, I got my vlogging camera, but I don't know if I'm gonna vlog outside. Maybe Lord. Maybe I can do some other stuff so I can tell him I took it at 10:50. Maybe I can do some other stuff in the house, but I don't necessarily like vlogging outside, and it's just hectic. But I do gotta stop at, oh my god, I do have to stop at TJ Maxx, and I don't know if I'm gonna do that. Like, I've been tired. So maybe I'll show you guys like me cleaning up my room or something later on today if I have enough energy. But I just wanted to show you guys that I had to take that crap. And on a scale 1 to 10, taste wise is like a 6.5, but there's just a weird aftertaste, like, oh my Lord Jesus. That's how it is. So I got to go, y'all. Got to go. Sorry I rushed in here on y'all like this, but I actually wanted to get my reaction of drinking this crap. So if this is just the end of the video, I mean, so be it. You know, so be it. But I'm not fond of getting my blood taken. I am not. And this is my first appointment going to without my husband, and I'm not fond of that either. But I'm gonna be a big girl and pull up my drawers. Bye, guys. Hey y'all, I'm back. It's the same day. So my appointment went really well. I'm gonna have another ultrasound video. Another ultrasound, because she said that she just wants to see if, I don't know what this is on my counter. She said she wants to see if I'm gonna have a big baby, because I measured 2 centimeters over today. So she's gonna do another ultrasound just to see if I'm gonna have a big baby. So it's kind of exciting because I'm gonna get to see our baby again. Charles was really bummed that he could not make it to this appointment. He's really bummed. So I think he might take off for the ultrasound appointment, which is going to be my next appointment, which is in like a month. So he was really bummed, and I could tell. I already knew he was going to be bummed. Yes, I am going to be kind of moving around and not necessarily looking at the camera, because I have to clean up my bedroom. Look at this. Look at this. Oh, I have been laying in my bed all day for the last couple of days, because, and if y'all hear noises, it's literally it's rain. It's rain, and my camera's not all the way straight, but it's okay. I came back to y'all, so I'm just kind of picking up my room. I don't think I've showed you guys, but I'll show y'all after I clean up my bed a little bit where the baby's gonna sleep, because I'm building him like a little bassinet area, which is really not a bassinet area. That was just dirty. But I'm gonna build him a bed. Well, see, what happened was I came up with the idea, and because I've been having like a lot of back spasms, Charles cut the pieces. He cut the wood and everything, which I should probably add that into this video. Maybe. I don't know. So yeah, he pretty much did all the cutting and stuff. But I wanted to show myself cutting the boards and stuff up. I was having problems this whole week, like with my back. So it's okay. He did it, which I really appreciate. I really appreciate it. I need to sit down. Like, I've been trying to still move around, but my body's telling me like, you need to really not be moving around. Like, just chill out a little bit, you know? Like, I need to chill out a little bit. I need to wash my hair rag. That's what I really need to do. This whole room is messy. And I'm trying to clean it up before Charles comes home. I really messed it up. Not that he makes me clean the room or nothing, but it's just, he's getting off work when it's time to go to sleep. I mean, how suckbutt would that be for you to come upstairs and there's stuff all over the bed? Like, literally stuff all over the bed. Maybe I'll just show y'all me cleaning up. Free! Let it be free in me. And I have so many pillows on my side of the bed because my back situation. So this over here is where the baby's bed is gonna be. That's as good as my bed is gonna get with me making it. I hate making my bed. I hate making a bed. My thing is, I'm one of those people. Why make a bed and you're gonna get right back in it? Ooh. Okay, room. This is part of the baby's bed, like this styrofoam. But I gotta go put it down in Charles's man cave, but it's not gonna be his man cave after 8 months because the baby's gonna move in there and it's gonna be his room. So yeah, I need to do a video for you guys as well, showing my baby items that we bought before we even knew the gender. Okay. Well, hey guys, that was a little cleanup with me. Just a smidgy one, just to make up my bed. I really need to organize a lot of this stuff. Okay guys, so we're gonna go a little mobile for 5 seconds. But I wanted to show you my dresser drawers. So, this is not cute. My dresser is messy. And my lips are greasy. Okay, so I have these drawers right here, and I need to vacuum my floor. But I have these drawers right here that are mine, but now that the baby's coming, I have this top drawer has all of things in it. And then all of his stuff is also right here in his closet, which I do have space underneath his bed that me and Charles is making. Like, I have space right here to put like the majority of this big stuff underneath, but I haven't unboxed anything or took anything off of the hangers because really, I just didn't know if it was a boy or a girl, and I bought a lot of this stuff. My camera's gonna die. So I didn't know if it was gonna be a boy or a girl, so I didn't want to take like any of the stuff off of the hangers and wash it. But now that I know it's a boy, and hopefully I'll put this video up after my gender reveal. I most definitely am. So I had hats and gloves and stuff in this top drawer, but now that's just his stuff, and I have hats and stuff down here like scarves, so I'm gonna have to take those out. And I have my underwear up here, and I have more like gym clothes are in here, my jeans are in here, so I need to have these two top drawers for clothes. So I'm gonna clean those out because I'm not going to Walmart to get plastic tubs to put his clothes in. Like, I really can't with plastic tubs. So I am going to put my hats and stuff underneath. No, actually I'm gonna put my hats and stuff in the back of my closet since it is winter now, and then after winter I'm gonna put them underneath the bed because we have a lot of storage underneath our bed. So that's what I'm gonna do now, and hopefully my camera don't cut off.